Home decor is really about making a space that your family feels and is inviting, homey, a place that they really want to come to at the end of that long day. I am definitely a lover of expensive things, but I am crazy frugal. You start to learn these creative, clever little hacks to find ways to make it special. When I look around my house and I see things that have been created, they're handmade, it brings back precious memories. It's the time that I spent with my daughters working on this project and that project. And there's a sense of pride that comes with that, hey, I might not be a professional seamstress, but I made that thing. That came from my own two hands. My happy place really is working at home on some project. I'm Ursula. I'm a design blogger, a mom of 3, and a maker of beautiful things.